Hi everyone, so this is after the photo shoot today, and this is the outfit, the top that they want me to wear with the khaki pants. So right now I'm gonna do the makeup, remove my makeup, and I think for me, I think that's a very important step to do. And you gotta make sure you remove everything very carefully so you don't leave residuals on your skin, which is bad for you. Those, all the cosmetics really bad for your skin. So I usually start with for the eyes. You can use the L'Oreal Gentle Lip and Eye Makeup Remover. Oh, this one is Estee Lauder. I got this from my sister. So I'm gonna start with a little bigger cotton and remove this part right here, my eyebrow. See? Really like this solution. Make sure you remove everything very careful. Don't leave anything. And I do it multiple times. I don't just do it once. I'll put this right here. Okay, one more time. See how I'm putting my eyelashes because I did apply mascara. I did a waterproof mascara. Skin is really important. To have a good skin is good. I don't want to damage my skin for putting too much makeup. So now any leftover I have, I try to use every side of the cotton. Now I pick out for the rest of the area. Everywhere. Don't forget the neck area too. Okay. So today I applied a model agency in California and New York, and I was thinking that I don't think they will accept me. They won't respond because I'm too short. I'm only 5 feet. With shoes on, 5 feet, right? I thought, maybe they will never contact me back. So I went to the photo shoot, my first model photo shoot after so many years. I did it a long time ago when I was a teenager, but now I'm 46 and my kids are a little older now. I told my husband I want to do modeling again before I die because that's my dream. I don't want to wait until I'm 65. I'm really old to do any modeling. And he said no. He told me for years, he told me no. And I kept trying and trying and trying. Finally, after he saw Max, my youngest, my 7-year-old doing modeling, he finally said, yes, I'll let you try. So I got my first job today. I'm beyond excited. I'm so happy. I was very nervous, but happy at the same time, excited at the same time. Anyway, so I'm almost done with the makeup removal. I always, if you have this, I use pumps. I like to massage a little bit to make sure I remove everything. And then after this, my last step is using everyday cleaner to clean your face again after this step. So make sure you do all of that, and you will be good to go. So after this one, I'm done with the makeup removal, and your face will feel like greasy, but that's okay because you're gonna wash it with your everyday cleaner, and you'll be fine. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Any comments, don't forget to like, and any comments, please leave it below. Bye. See you next time.